I have a computer from a 1ZZFE, and the cover looks like that. And this is the ECU. Now the vehicle has a check engine light, and it's being caused by that code P1656. Description: variable valve timing solenoid valve. Potential causes: poor connection or wiring damaged. Variable valve timing solenoid valve. Valve timing powertrain control unit. Now, no matter what you do, sometimes the light will not go away, whether you change the oil control valve or the vvti solenoid. Sometimes the check engine light will not go away. If you happen to change the solenoid and the light does not go away, sometimes the problem is with the ECU or the wiring harness. Now, before you rush to change the solenoid, check the harness and check the ECU. Now, the problem with this particular one is either the wires were shorted or the ECU failed due to age. Now, holding the ECU like this, we have this port, the one at the bottom, when you're looking at the ECU from that point of view. Now, counting from the bottom, this second row from this side, where the clip latches, counting from the top, the second row, and you count 1, 2, 3. Once you get to 3, that is the power, the 12 volt supplied to the oil control valve, and then the fourth pin is the PWM ground, which controls the potential difference or the voltage across the oil control valve. Now, looking at pin 4, and you trace it, it comes to this particular pin here, this particular line here, and you can trace it to these two 1 ohm resistors. I don't know if you can see that. There are two 1 ohm resistors here. There are 3 sets, these ones and these other ones. The ones in the middle, I'll set the meter in ohms reading, and check the resistance of the resistor there, and it gives you 42 ohms. Remember, this is one resistor. There are just 2 resistors in parallel, so it means it's just one resistor. Now check the control. Check the control resistors, and let's see what they give us. They'll give us around 0.5 ohms, because these are two 1 ohm resistors in parallel, so they give you 0.5 ohms. This is what you should get from these other 2 that run to the oil control valve. Now, since I cannot find a 0.5 ohm resistor or 2 1 ohm resistors, I have decided to look for one from this other computer. This is an ECU, coming from another vehicle. But this is bad. This is a bad one. Now I have one that is quite close here. This is R47, which means that this is a 0.47 ohm resistor. Let's measure it. Can you see it gives okay. You have to dig in with these things because there's usually a coating on them. It gives you between 4 and 5 ohms. This is the equivalent resistor. It's an equivalent to those other two resistors on the other module, and so we'll change them out. Especially these ones. I managed to remove the two resistors. They had some kind of an adhesive on them. That's why the soldering gun would not immediately remove them. So I just applied heat and some force at the same time, and it just came off. Now let's remove the donor resistor. This is it. And that was much easier. Remember, you can use this thing to remove components, but it's not the best for soldering them back. Too much heat will damage the other components. So here is where it needs to go. So we have it soldered like that. Here is the resistor. This one is equivalent to these ones. We can confirm that. .5 ohms. .5 ohms. These are okay. These others. we have 0.5 ohms. So I believe this computer is now going to work and the check engine light is going to go off. This belongs to a Toyota Premio. A Toyota Premio is a Japanese make. Here is the computer in the vehicle, and now we start it. Check engine light is gone. And that's how you fix it.